Hello everyone, good afternoon. It's currently 5:55 p.m. and guess what? It's already December 19, guys. 6 days na lang. And Pasko na, and I wanted to film this clip to give you guys a quick life update. So life update na naman tayo. I think yung mga clips before this one or yung before today is yung when we had our friend's Christmas party. And guys, sobrang happy ko nung day na yon kasi finally I met my friends again. And tagal na since nakumpleto kami ng ganun. We have kasi this like Christmas tradition where we really meet up dito sa bahay ng friend namin. We play games, take pictures, exchange gifts and stuff like that. And yun guys, kaya rin walang masyadong clips ngayong December kasi wala namang masyadong ganap. Most of our Christmas shopping happened nung November pa. So, hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog nun. But, we will make bawi. I'll really vlog hanggang matapos tong year na to. And of course, memorable pa rin naman tong era na to for me kasi first year ko siya of vlogging, and of course we will carry it over to 2026. I'm also very excited sa mga mangyari in the future and hopefully maging okay rin yung lahat. Guys, we're currently in Evora. Nawala na ulit ako nakapunta. Yun talaga. We went here to buy a gift. OMG! Bakit ang cute nito? Look! It's so Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Dad.
That's where we're at. Mall. Today is December 24. Malapit na tayo mag-end nitong vlogmas. But at the same time, I'm super excited to celebrate Christmas, of course, with my family. Tomorrow kami magsa-celebrate for my dad's side, and then sa 28 or 27 sa mom's side ko naman. Hindi na ako masyadong nakapag-vlog today sa mall kasi first wala akong dalang earphones para sa mic, and second mabilis lang naman kami doon, so bumili lang kami ng mga kung anik-anik. I got one thing from Zara, so I went there to find something white para sa Christmas with my mom's side kasi white kami. This is what I got. Super cute siya, guys. It's a white tank top. And yung material niya, guys, parang makapal siya, which I like. It has yung mga flower details na may pearls. Body hugging siya. So, medium yung binili ko. That's all I got from Zara. And then from Muji naman, I decided to get this one. Moisturizing Milk Moisture. Alam niyo, parang lotion na hindi masyadong makapal. Naglagay ako kanina sa likod ng kamay ko, and until now, sobrang smooth pa rin nung kamay ko. So yeah, I'll update you guys if okay to siya. Also, let's do a what's in my bag. I'm kind of bored, so let's just make the most out of our idle time. Pag gusto ko ng maraming laman pero cute pa din, this is from Uniqlo. I have this one, guys. Pretzel siya, hindi siya poop. Okay, first things first, I have my wallet. This is the wallet that I bought a few vlogs ago. Next, I have a pen. May basura. Oops. Sorry guys, biglang nag-full yung phone ko. As I was saying, I have a pen always. What else? Oh, I also have my camera. This is my Digicam. This is the Kodak Pixpro FZ55. So, magwa 1 year na to sa akin, guys. And I must say, super worth it na to, guys. As someone na super hilig mag-document ng mga stuff. I also, bring always mga pangtali ng hair. My mom's AirPods. And then, meron akong pouch, guys, na nililipat-lipat ko na lang siya ng bag. Here, I have my Lippies So this is the Sunny's Face Glide Gloss in Rose Water. This is the Lucky Beauty Dewy Lip Stain in Razzle. Lip liner from Vice. Alcohol, Mentos, and this parang mouthwash siya, guys. Of course, I always need this. This is from Katingko. Wala na nga siyang label, guys. Then I have a mirror na maliit lang.